Hey everyone, so today I have an Apple Series 6 watch. So it's a Series 6 silver aluminum case with a white sport band 40 millimeter. Now I don't have any experience really with smartwatches, but I do have some experience with sport bands, and that being a Fitbit, but not with any smartwatches. And so this will be my first impressions really with a smartwatch. So several improvements have been made to this generation of watch, and I'm just going to point out quickly some of them. So the display is 2.5 times brighter. They upgraded the chip from the S5 to the S6 dual-core processor. They included a the U1 chip, Wi-Fi 5 gigahertz, the always-on altimeter, and improved battery life, and also the blood oxygen sensor. Now that's several things they have done to improve the overall functionality of the Series 6. So it's this is actually really nice packaging. So we'll put that aside, and we have the watch and the watch band. So we'll take a look at the watch band. It takes a little figuring out, but we'll get there. So it just opens from the bottom. So it just opens from the bottom here. And there we have it. The watch band. I think they included 2 sizes and instructions how to install it. Just a plain white version. Let's take a look at this here. Oh, it feels like flexible silicone or rubber. It feels like rubber, honestly. So there we have it. Put this aside because that's not what we really want to see. And so we have the watch itself. More packaging. It's funny how Apple slimmed down the iPhone packaging, but then they included all this packaging in a smaller product. Literally a smaller product. Some instructions. Some instructions in packaging. That's funny. This must be the charger. Nice and slim. So I guess you just plug this into any standard charger. And so we have the watch itself. Now it comes in a sleeve of some kind. And so we'll just take it out. And there we have it. The $40mm Series 6 Apple Watch. I would think they would include some sort of protection for this, but it is raised a little bit on the back, if you see there. But having that on the wrist shouldn't be any problem. Let's also install the band. See how it fits. So the longer side would go at the bottom of the watch, and you just honestly, I mean, I guess you just slip it into the slot, and it does lock in the place with the clip here. So to remove it, you would just, I think I just started it up, so we'll hurry this up here. Okay, so I just started it up, and we'll wait for it to boot up. It needs to charge, but that's a quick look at the Apple Series 6 watch. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.